Sometimes when I'm trying to work on one annotation, I'll accidentally click and move another annotation or something else behind it. So in this video, I'll show you how I lock tracks to keep that from happening. Hello friend, my name is Ron from CamMastery.com, where you can go to learn how to make great videos with Camtasia. Sometimes I'm working with a smaller callout or maybe a sketch motion callout, and I end up selecting the items behind it. Looking here at Camtasia, I'm working with this sketch motion, and I'll go up here to click it, and I've selected the wrong thing. So what I can do is say, I want to lock the other tracks. So sometimes I'll grab it and I want to move it down. I say, oh, I grabbed the wrong thing and moved it. So instead, let me lock that track. So I'll go down here to the lower left and I'll click the lock icon just to lock that track. And I can do the same thing with other tracks. I can say, let's lock down this callout and let's lock down my videos as well. So now when I zoom back out, I can see that if I try to double click or move any of these things, I can't do it. But if I go here to my sketch motion and select it, then I am able to move that, but nothing else around. So if you're having trouble with getting just the item you want to work with on the screen, you might consider locking the tracks that are below it so that you don't accidentally grab the wrong thing.